How to check your reposted videos on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to find all the content you've reposted on your Snapchat profile. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on Spotlight at the bottom of the screen to open the video feed. From there, find the video you want to repost and tap the Repost button to save it to your profile. At this point, now to find all the videos you've reposted, go back to the main screen. In the next step, tap on your profile icon at the top left to open your profile page. Following this, scroll down a little bit until you see the My Favorites and Reposts section. Once done, tap on it and you'll find all the videos you've reposted collected right there in one place. From here, you can tap on any of them to rewatch or manage them whenever you want. At this stage, keep in mind that your reposted videos are only visible to you on your profile and are not shown publicly on your profile page for others to see. Finally, if you ever want to remove a repost, just go back to the original video in Spotlight and tap the Repost button again to undo it. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you find your reposted videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.